with me is Samsung Galaxy A20e, and today I would like to show you how you can operate pop-up view on this Samsung. Start by selecting one of your apps like Play Store and clicking on this button with 3 lines. Now click on the icon of an app and select Open in pop-up view. As you can see, now I can use my app in this little window over here. If you wish to use it overlay other apps, just tap on the other one and operate in both of them. If you wish to make this one small, click on Home button. If you want to access it again, just tap on the bubble. You can also move around your window by holding it and then drag in. If you wish to close it, you can do that by clicking on this X icon at the top right corner or simply by closing your app in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!